Hello and welcome to today's video. This is the video about how to download Landsat 8 images from USGS EarthExplorer. So for that we have simply go to the browser and type USGS EarthExplorer and go to the website. So to download the Landsat data, so at first we have to select location of that we want to get the data. So we can simply select only one point like this, or we can draw a rectangle or polygon. So for today I am going to show about just one point data and how to get the data. So for that we can simply select the location that is shown here in latitude and longitude value. So the time duration is very important here. So what time between we are going to see the Landsat data images. So I'm going to put the data that I want to see is from January 1st 2021 to January 1st 2022 for 1 year. You can simply go to the search months option and get the specific months data. So I'm going to show it for all months. Okay, then we can simply go to the data sets, where we have to go to the Landsat option here. Okay, then go to the Landsat collection 2 level 2, and from there we have to select this option here, Landsat 8.9. okay, that is Landsat collection 2 level 2, or you can simply select Landsat collection 2 level 1. So I'm going to click the results. Okay, so that is the Landsat data for this specific location, and we can simply export the data by clicking on the download options here. Okay, so we can choose the product options here, and the specific locations data is almost about 929.67 megabyte. So if you want to get the total data, you can simply download the data, or I would recommend you to download the data separately for like band 1, band 2, band 3 and band 4 and band 5, 6, 7, or you can simply download all the data. Okay, so if we want to preview the image here, this is true color composite data of this location. Okay, so you can also simply go to these data, which is data acquired from 2021 12 25, and this information, that is path and row. What is that? You can simply choose the path and row points to choose the specific locations image, and we can see there the path and row data is different from this ID to this ID and this ID. And if we have to know the specific locations image from the path and row, we simply have to go to the search criteria and select a geocoding method, that is path and row, and we can simply put the row and path value from the results, and that is from this ID, that is 029 and 030. So I'm going to put it here 029 and 030, 029 030, and show. So this will show these specific locations image. Okay, so I have changed by scrolling it. You can simply go to the 029 and 030 again and show. Okay, that will simply show the latitude and longitude data of this location. So now if we go to the results, this will only show the image of this specific path and row, right? Okay, so this is the image of, okay, so I think that is clear enough to how to download, or simply you can download the data from here. Okay, so there is also product options, so you can also simply download the data and use this data to analyze further. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I would love to know if any questions from your side. So thank you so much for watching my video.